Hi everybody, I am at an open house today at 2728 Southwest 4th Terrace. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home and it is available for $195. The location is absolutely awesome. It's right by Christina Coliff Elementary. It is a corner lot with a fenced in yard. Come visit me today to check out the property. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek. Home offers a wide open floor plan with the kitchen, dining room area, and great room. Master is off to the right. There are 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and an indoor laundry right over to your left down this hallway. And then outside you have a beautiful fenced-in yard, screened in lanai, enough seating there for a table and chairs, enough space. So get out here, take a look. Again, 2728 Southwest 4th Terrace in Cape Coral, and that's today until 4 p.m. I hope to see you here soon.